Yeah, family. I'm cooking some cornmeal porridge for Amesh the first time. We're gonna see if he like it. This is the flour we are using. It's similar to what we use in Jamaica, but this one has a lot more ingredients in it, family. As you can see, it looks just like cornmeal in Jamaica. I blend it out in this. I'm gonna add it to the coconut milk, and I'm gonna make the porridge. So what's in this, family? It's cinnamon, turmeric, greens, terere. That's amaranth and pumpkin seed powder, family. So as you know, guys, this is very nutritious. So let's add it and let's go and mix it out just like how we used to do it in Jamaica. We grew up on cornmeal porridge. Yeah, family. Now I had my cornmeal. Let's allow it to cook. I'll come back and show this to you, family, how it come out. First time trying this in Kenya. Yeah, family. So this is the cornmeal porridge I made. And here Miss Jam tours them saying